Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little haul from the Dollar Tree. And I hope everybody is doing well. So I was out shopping with my sister. Had me pick up a lot of stuff for her. So FYI, note to self, do not FaceTime your sister in the Dollar Tree. So I had to mail some of this stuff to Georgia, and in the other video I also showed some stuff that I picked up from her, because she had me go to, like, literally I went to 4 Dollar Trees. Gotta love your sister, because I wouldn't do that for anybody else. No, I ain't gonna say that because I would. I have. But anyway, so I did pick this up for her. Happy birthday wishes. That little stencil. And I had showed her some of the zines and stuff I had made with some of these, and she loved the metallic, excuse me. Look at some of these, so she wanted me to come and pick her up some, so I did. And so you've already seen, I already have these, so these are repeat. I mean, as far as purchases, but they're not for me, so they're for her, and I got to mail these to Georgia. But that one, just in case somebody hasn't seen those before. And like I use these on zines, iCads, ATCs, things like that. And there's 2 of those, one each. And then that one, I forgot this. I was looking for this in my other haul. Like, where did I bought some other ones for her? I just filmed so many videos, and I was trying to remember. Like, I knew I had some other stuff for, and in the other video I think I had duplicates. I was trying to figure out why I had 2. One was for me and one for her. But anyway, I already had these as well, but I thought these were really, really cute. She loved those. And then she wanted this one. She said she was going to try some zines with us, with my crafty plans, and try to make something. I picked up these little puffy letters, mainly for inchies. They do have some flowers that I can use, as well as the letters. So that's what I got that one for, to make some little inchies. And then, of course, you know, I keep saying I'm going to stop this habit, but they were cute. I hadn't seen them at the Dollar Tree. And I got these. You know why? Because I can cut out each one of those circles. Look at that. All those summertime fun. Even though I got this woolly fur on me right now. It's really hot. But it's cold in my grab room. I just need to put on more clothes. Like, I have on clothes, but like, I'm cold. I don't have any socks or shoes or anything on them. So I like to be in my little robe to keep me warm. But these are nice little images. You can use this whole scene, or you can cut out any one of these pieces in a circle. And when I say cut out, you can use your water brush to cut them out. You can also cut them out with, you know, your scissors. You can also cut them out and adhere them to cardstock, and then use them that way. You got multiple ways you can do them. Or you can actually fussy cut it out around the actual piece itself, or with the water brush. So you can do several different things to use these, but just nice summer elements, as well as this. So reminiscent of what we do in the summertime, having fun. So I got those, and then they had some gorgeous ribbon, because these were some Dollar Trees that I don't go to. They were in the hood. No disrespect, but they were just, you know, to anybody by saying that, but I'm just saying, like, yeah, I was trying to get in and get out. Sometimes they had a good stuff up in there. And I was in a different part of town that I don't normally go to, because I was trying to go to Ollie's, and she had me stop, and I went, and boom, I got some of those ribbons, and then I got these ribbons, and I got another one of these to put your little ATCs in, and this one looks smaller. I'm just comparing. It is smaller than my other one. I just realized that. But it still fits an ATC. But it is smaller. I just noticed that they're not the same size. Yep, and this was, duh, I didn't pay attention. I was trying to get her the same one, but I picked up the wrong one. But she can still use that. So anyway, I will be shipping that to her, because I realize a lot of people don't have the same things at their Dollar Trees. She probably does, but she just probably didn't go for enough, because she has a lot of Dollar Trees near her. Anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.